today I have my newest 15-day board and treat. This is Whiskey. Hi, Whiskey. Whiskey's here today just because Dad wants to really work on his manners. He pulls a lot on the leash, kind of really doesn't listen, picks and chooses when he wants to listen, jumps a lot, things like that. So I just want to work on his basic manners. Before we do get started with all this training, we are going to see what Whiskey does and doesn't know. Hey, Whiskey, can you come? Come. Hey, come. There you go. No. You sit. Oh, no. If I say you sit. You sit. No. All right. See, you go for walking. No. Come over here. No. Oh my goodness. Okay. Come here. Put that down. Hey, knee down. Oh, there's a sit. There's a sit. Knee down. Knee down. No, he's still way too much loving energy right now, huh? All right. So he did give me a sit, so that's a good start. But just continue with this video and see Whiskey's amazing transformation. Thank you for choosing Bulletproof. He's like, I decided to pee. Sorry.
Hi, my name is Dylan.
And I'm Alexis.
And this is our dog Whiskey. And we just are picking him up from our 15-day boarding session with Bulletproof Dog Training. And our dog went from a terrible bad boy to a show dog. Now he can go in stores with no leash and everything. And we're excited to continue to work with him and keep the training up. But we're already seeing huge progress. And it's amazing. I highly recommend Bulletproof Dog Training. and our trainer Sydney is the best in the world. She'll make your dog a show dog in 2 weeks. It's worth the price.